Welcome, here I've got Realme 8i and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera gridlines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to last position to open camera settings. And here we have to pick composition, so we get access to grids and guides option. We can add them to photo or video. Let me start with photo. When we pick it, we can decide to use grid, diagonal lines and golden spiral. So let's start with grid, and when we move back to the camera preview, now we can see these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. Let's move again to right corner settings, then to composition, to photo grid and guides, and move to diagonal lines. So in the preview now we have this type of view and another tab. So let me show you also the golden spiral. And this is how it looks like. Of course, remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture. So let me show you how it works. When I take a photo and when I go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can see the picture without the grid lines, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And now let's move back to camera, then to right corner settings, to composition, and here we can turn them off or pick whatever we need. Let me show you also that when we tap to video, we can only add standard grid. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.